Welcome, Agent. This being your first day, we have a lot to cover. You may think you already know what it takes to be a spy, but I wouldn't get too comfortable. You'll need to be quick, clever, and most importantly, inconspicuous, in order to outsmart our nemesis, Dr. Zor. Our previous agents were, well, less than successful. You'll surely be faced with increasingly deadly situations. But with your superior wits and your love for danger, I'm sure you'll be our top agent in no time. But to be perfectly honest, and with all due condolences, I expect you to die. Welcome back, Agent. I hope you enjoyed your nap. The Alps are known for scenic vistas, prestigious skiing, and hidden hunting lodges. I'll give you one guess as to which one you'll be enjoying during your trip. If you guess the hidden hunting lodge, you win the grand prize, which is a trip to a hidden hunting lodge. We believe Zor's working on a secret machine. Infiltrate the lodge and find that machine. You've certainly made yourself comfortable in Zor's private hunting lodge. I hear the agency is handing out lodges just like this one to any agent who finds the new machine Zor is working on. If I were you, I'd find that machine. That fits well. You and Zor must have heads of similar size. That's a, fun fact. I've noticed you can't resist burning most things you find. To be honest, it's an unsettling quality.
Door alarm triggered. Tear gas activated. Control cartridge accepted. Voice authentication required. Authentication failure. Deploying Bear Archer. Bear disarmed. Security malfunction. Insert datasphere override.
This doesn't bode well. It's just as we feared. Zor's new device appears to have the power to affect gravity. You must destroy that machine.
Crystal unstable. Machine malfunction. Laser defense mode 1.
Zor certainly knows you're there now. We're sending a helicopter to extract you. That machine must be destroyed before it arrives.
Crystal unstable. Laser defense mode 2.
Your helicopter's arrived, but it can't get close until you destroy that machine.
Crystal unstable.
Nicely done. There's nothing like an explosive finish to foil a villain's plans once and for all. Now, grab that retrieval line, and we'll get you out of there. It's a shame to see such a lovely large ruin like that, especially considering we had to cut the large reward program I told you about earlier. It turns out we don't have the budget to hand out lodges all willy-nilly. Still, though, well done. I have good news, Agent. As everyone knows, you are my third favorite field operative, and as such, I managed to find some money in the budget for that vacation you always mention after nearly dying. Grab the new reel in the door, and we'll be off and running.